Hey, welcome in. FG here. So today we've got a couple things. One, I have community mail call here, I think. And after we open that, I'm going to show some of the 3D prints that I've been working on. So let's start with the mail call. I think it came from Austin, Texas, which I think this may be Check Stacker. And yes, it is Check Stacker. Oh, we still got something else in here. All right. What do we have? Ahoy, y'all. And his sticker. We'll definitely get this up there somewhere. And we got it established 2022. Must be for Oktoberfest. Coaster 2 of 50. I have not picked up coasters yet. Oh, let's see what do we have. 1922 Czechoslovakia 20 hellers. That is pretty cool. I don't think I've seen one of those before. It says ahoy FG Stacker. Thanks for the swag. Love Homer. Dope. I hope you enjoy my channel swag, stickers, coaster, poker chip, and a 1922 20 hellers Czechoslovakian coin for your world collection. Appreciate what you do to support the stacking community. I don't know how to say that word, so I'm not going to try. And this is basically his own postcard. And let's see, I don't want to... Well, I will get that off of there. Well, let's see if I can... No, I'm going to have to take it off. All right, there we go. I have big old clumsy fingers. I cannot get into these little things. All right, and there we have his poker chip that he makes himself with a laser engraver, I'm assuming. Don't take any wooden poker chips. And we will figure out somewhere to get him up here for the time being. We'll just put you here for today. Thank you very much, Check. I really appreciate that. And we'll work on getting your sticker up here, maybe up there between Mellow and Bottle Top Bandit. All right. So now to show some of the stuff I've been working on 3D printing. This was one of the items that I 3D printed. And the purpose of that was to hold on to all of my little fractional pieces. Give me somewhere interesting to store them, set them up. And it actually is a print in place, so it's one print, no assembly. It was really a pretty cool project, whoever came up with that. Another thing that I've printed was I printed essentially if you recall, I got my annexed slabs in, and I didn't have, they just sent them in the package. They didn't send them in a box, so I haven't had a box. And over time, I've kind of accumulated a few. This is the Burma coin that's in my World Coin collection. I do have a Proof Massachusetts quarter. So those are PCGS slabs. I have the 2 annex slabs, which were the coins that I got graded. And they fit in here. I have a ancient that's in just one of these kind of commercial slabs, but it fits. And then my 2 NGC slabs, which were the George Washington medal that I got as part of one of the random 1-ounce round shipments, and a Proof Leif Erikson that I had picked up, and those both fit. So this case fits all of the different brands of slabs, and just 3D printed the whole thing, and that gives me somewhere to store my slabs now. Another thing, if you recall, we got in our shipment of Christmas rounds for 2024, and I had printed a small token ring to hold it, but my wife decided she wanted something a little more festive. So I found a project out there that gave me a start, and I printed a snowflake ornament ring for it. So to this, it's just got a very tiny lip. It is a snug fit that holds it in there fairly tight and gives her a loop so she can put a ribbon in it and hang it from the tree. So each year we're getting rounds to use as ornaments dated to the year. And this year, when we send them out to friends and family, we sent these 3D printed snowflake ornament holders with them. So she was happy with that. And then the last thing I was working on was to go with the bar I just poured. I'm calling it the Death's Head bar, kind of like a Death's Head moth. And I was 3D printing a custom case for it. And my idea was printing the lid for it that would double as a COA, but didn't quite turn out. I think I may have to get the smaller print head instead of the 0.4, go with a 0.2 print head to get the font and stuff to print correctly. This looks good on the project. It just didn't print quite how I anticipated. So we lost some of the star. We don't have the colons or the periods. This isn't 146 ounces. But that was kind of what my idea was to print a custom capsule, basically, that would double with as a COA for the bars. I'm going to continue to work on that and see if I can't get it to work. But it may just end up being that I print a custom case for it and do a paper COA. We'll see how that turns out. Well, and I guess the last thing I'll mention, I think Liberty Bleed said he gave a small shout out. We're sitting really close to 250 on the user count. We are going to do a live for the 250 sub giveaway. Liberty Bleeds is going to join me on the live, and it'll kind of be a get to know me. He'll have some questions for me. If chat has some questions, I'll answer them. And I think what we'll do is, once we get closer to the 250 sub giveaway, I'll post another video kind of telling when we're going to schedule it. I think it will be probably on a Sunday morning, and we'll use comments from that video to give away Mr. Benjamin, and then we'll do something during the live stream that will be for people that are in the live stream to give away the 10th ounce. So you'll have a chance to win either just from the comment or from the live stream or from both. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you next time.